Maybe trying to surprise myself or trying to challenge myself, and it's just going well. Like maybe one day it'll be a bad surprise. You never know.
Born into the Bhatt family, Alia is the daughter of filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt and actress Soni Razdan. She is a British Indian actress and singer who works in Hindi language films. Her accolades include 4 Filmware Awards. She has appeared in Forbes India's Celebrity 100 list since 2014 and was featured by Forbes Asia in their 30 Under 30 list of 2017. After making her acting debut as a child in the 1999 thriller Sangharsh, she played her first leading role in Karan Johar's teen drama Student of the Year in 2012. She went on to establish herself with starring roles in several films.
Go to the UK or something?
Basically, I had some time off, so I decided to, in my head, I was like, okay, I have a month off, so I'll take that month and I'll travel and I'll learn how to cook.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Net Worth Now, where you get to see the lifestyle and net worth of your favorite celebrities. We hope you enjoy these videos, and if you do, please remember to hit the like button and comment below who your favorite celebrity is so we can feature them in an upcoming video.
Her full name is Alia Bhatt, also known as Alu. She was born on March 15, 1993, in Mumbai, India, making her 28 years old at the time of this production. She stands at 155 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches tall. Besides being an actor and a singer, she is a philanthropist, an animal rights activist, and owns pet cats. Bhatt partook in a battle for PETA to bring issues to light on destitute creatures. In 2017, she propelled a biological organization named Coexist to bring issues to light about the welfare of road creatures. The next year, she worked together with Facebook Live for a crusade named Find Your Green to battle for environmentalism. Her favorite outdoor sport is handball, and she also has been spotted on cricket matches. She started designing clothes as a hobby, but it quickly turned into a business when she started her own dress image for ladies in 2014, or the online mold getaway Jabong.com. And in 2018, she propelled her very own line of purses for VIP Industries. She is also a YouTuber, and first her channel was for her music, but that has transitioned to becoming her way of expressing and sharing her personal life with her fans. She has moved to her new home in Juju. She made a vlog to give her fans a tour of her house. Alia's first love is Ramesh Dubey. She fell in love with him when she was in the 6th standard. After that, she had a relationship with Ali Dadakar, who is her childhood boyfriend and very close friend. There was rumored that Alia dated with actor and co-star Varun Dhawan after their movie Student of the Year. Also, there was a buzz that she had an affair with Siddharth Malhotra. Also, as per media, Alia dated Kavin Mittal, who is the son of Indian businessman Sunil Mittal. Alia currently is in a relationship with Bollywood's heartthrob Ranbir Kapoor. She first met Ranbir Kapoor when she was 11 years old, and since then, she had a crush on him. Now they are also planning to get married.
In my life. Right now I just need to focus on my movies, and if I do take the time out, I'll just chill for like a day, like 5 days or 6 days, and then come back to work.
She was born to Mahesh Bhatt, Indian film director, and actress Soni Razdan. She has an elder sister, Shaheen, and 2 half-siblings, Rahul Bhatt and Pooja Bhatt. She did her schooling from Jamnabi Narsi School. Actor Emran Hashmi and director Mohit Suri are her paternal cousins, while producer Mukesh Bhatt is her uncle. Razdan, Alia's mother, has said that she brought up her kids generally as a solidarity parent, as her better half didn't check out their lives. Bhatt tried to be an entertainer since early on, and has said that she previously acknowledged it while practicing for the school ensemble in kindergarten. She before long started dance exercises at Shiamark Davar's foundation. She has a modest and grounded upbringing, contrary to what most people believed. Her lifestyle was not at all the way people thought it would be, considering she was the daughter of a famous and successful film director and an actress. Growing up, she did not share a close bond with her father. Her mother Razdan has said that she raised her children mostly as a single parent, as her husband did not take much interest in their lives. Bott aspired to be an actress from a young age and has said that she first realized it while rehearsing for the school choir in kindergarten. She soon began dance lessons at Sheamark Davars Institute. Her first acting role was at age 5 in her father's production venture Sangharsh in 1999, in which she briefly played the younger version of Preeti Zinta's character. Alia's first on-screen appearance is on her age 5. Her father introduced her as a child artist for the film Sangharsh 1999, where she played the childhood opposite role for the heroine Preeti Zinta, but she is not remembered about her first camera experience, as she was very young at that time. Funnily, she used to say that she committed to have production food. Karan Johar's Teen Drama Student of the Year 2012 was her first lead role as a heroine. It took 13 years for her to appear on screen, counting from her debut film. From then, she is called by many production banners such as Johar Studio, Dharma Productions, Viacom 18, and more. 2 states in 2014, Humpty Sharma Ki Doharnya in 2014, and Badrith Ki Doharma in 2017, and Dear Zindagi in 2016 are some of the important films which helped to secure a good place in Bollywood. Additionally, in 2014, Bott showed up in a short movie on ladies' well-being, entitled Going Home, from executive Ball. She next rejoined with Ball to film the light-hearted comedy Chandal, released in 2015. The film highlighted Shahid Kapoor and Bott as 2 restless people who began to look all starry-eyed amid a destination wedding. Not limited to acting, Alia is multi-talented celebrity. She sang Suha Saha in the film Highway in 2014. The music director of the film, A.R. Rahman, welcomed her to his music school to go through preparing. In 2014, she sang the unplugged adaptation of the melody Samjawan for the authors Sharib Tosi in Humpty Sharma Ki Dohanya. In 2016, she sang a substitute adaptation of the melody Ik Kundi for the soundtrack of Uta Punjab with her co-star Doshani. Apart from acting, Alia is also a successful entrepreneur, and she has launched her own line of clothing with Jabong and handbags with VIP Industries, and is the founder of the ecological initiative Coexist. Bott launched her own production company named Eternal Sunshine Productions in early 2019, with a newfound aim on fresh, relatable, and nonconformist stories. Her first appearance in the year came with a pivotal role opposite Ranveer Singh in Zoya Akhtar's Gully Boy, a musical inspired by the life of the street rappers Divine and Nazi. She attended acting workshops to learn a ghetto dialect to enable her to improvise on set. The film premiered at the 69th Berlin International Film Festival.
Never happened because I basically realized I can't take 1 month off work. It's
Right.
too much time for me.
Okay.
I can barely take 6 days. And it's not really what I want to do.
Bott's yearly salary is estimated to be around $500,000 to $800,000. As of 2021, her net worth is estimated to be around $15 million. Alia Bott is currently living a lavish lifestyle in the apartment at 205 Silver Beach Apartments, Juhu. In her garage, you can find a Range Rover Vogue, an Audi Q7, an Audi Q5, an Audi A6, a Bugatti Veyron, a Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren, a Rolls-Royce Phantom, and a BMW 7 Series.